Good afternoon from Daytona Beach. Construction updates. So we are just south of the pier. You can see Krabby Joe's down there. And when you come just south of it, this is International Speedway. Right there is the famous Daytona Beach sign. You can see it is back up. We're just on the back side of it. So you can see at this red light right here is the corner of Atlantic Avenue and International Speedway. And they are redoing the on-ramp right there. So this on-ramp is going to be closed as of February the 2nd today. So that's our first update. We are going to head up towards the pier, and we have a little more construction. But yeah, you can see this right here is the boardwalk in. So yeah, they did widen this. Like, there was a big thing outside of the building there that came out, and they shortened that up and widened the road, new sidewalks. It's probably going to be pretty nice when it's done. Heading north. Another thing, there's a lot of these panels missing on that pier. Whether they did that because they needed those electric boxes or something, or it's hard to tell. Maybe they just fell off. But this is at the original Eat at Joe's. There's Crab Shack. This is right downtown, like Main Street, Daytona Beach. Just moral. It's only like 68 degrees, maybe 70 degrees and cloudy, so there's like not very many people here today. However, this brings us to our next construction update. There's like a walkway there, an overpass, where you can walk from the pier to the boardwalk, and you can see they're redoing that. So I'm going to jump up top and we'll take a look at it. If you do come to Daytona Beach and you want to rent one of these chairs and umbrellas, right here's the prices. So here is another angle, and you can see that the pier is open, so you can get to Eat at Joe's. You can go out on the pier a little ways. This is the construction. And then right here at this red light, that is Main Street and Atlantic Avenue. So you can kind of see the slingshot right here. This is being done by Paul Culver Construction. Some construction going on up here on the pier too. I didn't see this. This round thing right here is what had the mural on it downstairs. Well, yeah, at the bottom. So whether they're working on the floor. Yeah, we'll go over here. See, you can see that right there. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. Here. So yeah, construction update, February 2nd, 2025. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.